So I'll start off with how I started my journey with SCC, why I decided to be a part of the program, and how did what this year looked for me. I had a very brief journey with SCC. It was just a year long, and I started off. I remember, as I've already told also, I used to see my seniors who used to come to the conclave. So it was always very fascinating for us in college to see our seniors coming to this exclusive event and holding and conducting sessions for SEC Online, and where they're teaching to others on how to use the software, and in turn honing their own skills, whether it's for their MOOCs or their internships. So, being that first year student and seeing my fifth year who came, Ritika ma'am also, so she was my inspiration that I have to be a part of the program. Uh, so that is when I decided that whenever I used to think that it's always the fifth year student who can be a part of the program, until I came to the conclave last year and I realized that even the junior batches can be a part of the program. So I was always waiting for my fifth year so that I also applied after Samyukta ma'am. So that was why and how I decided to be a part of the journey, and I never expected that I would be accepted. But in my fifth year, I was also a part of the MOOC Coach Society. I was convening the society. So I knew, and I had seen the shortcomings that were there in my institute, and the challenges that were faced by the student ambassadors in terms of conducting sessions or say ensuring collaborations for the various national moot court competitions. So when I knew that I will be the convener, uh, that was something that made me even more sure that now I want to be a part of the program, because when I am a part of the committee, I'll be in a better position to ensure that collaborations take place and they take place in a better manner. And I am in a better position with the administration now. So even if it's under the guise of the Moot Court Society, I'll be able to conduct sessions and promote research in the college. Then one moment where I felt very, that was how I found my purpose of as to why I became a part of the program is my super seniors. They wanted to get something published from the Punjab Haryana High Court Bar Council, and they contacted me. Can you get this published on SCC? So that was a moment that now I can contribute, and I am in a position where I can now give back to my seniors, while I've always been the one who's on the receiving end.